Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure key composition settings are deliberate: frame rate, duration, and work area. Once done, allocate RAM cache and preferences memory and cache so previews play back smoothly. You should also enable region of interest and shrink the work area to the section you need. This reduces RAM use and speeds up playback. Press 0 on the numeric keypad or use the preview panel to launch a RAM preview immediately, so you can confirm timing and motion before deeper adjustments. Next, optimize how After Effects renders frames so you get meaningful playback without waiting. Switch adaptive resolution to 1/2 or 1/4 when complex layers slow you down, and toggle Draft 3D to bypass costly calculations. Make selective previews by disabling heavy effects or pre-composing. You can skip frames in the preview panel to focus on motion. Meanwhile, enable disk cache and periodically purge it when you change large assets, because clean caches prevent stale frame glitches and ensure consistent repeat previews. To finish, perform a full RAM preview for timing verification and render a short test using Media Encoder when audio sync or final quality matters. If playback still feels off, double-check your composition matches sequence settings and that background processes aren't hogging RAM. If things go wrong, purge both RAM and disk cache, update GPU drivers, and reduce preview resolution. These steps usually resolve freezes or dropped frames. Finally, make incremental exports so you can compare rendered output versus
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.